Hi children. Okay, today we're going to learn how to use decktoys. It's a very simple, fun game. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so how do we use them? Okay, you just need to click on the link which will bring you to the treasure hunt game. Okay, and you click on guest student. So once you reach when you click on that, you'll actually see this. You need to start here, click on start here, and you'll start playing the game. So once you click on start here, this is what you will see. Okay, you either can listen, okay, by clicking on that sound. Okay, you can either listen to the instructions, okay, or which is the same thing, the instructions, you can read it, and then you click close to continue. Right, so once you actually have read the welcome message, okay, you realize there's a green tick. Okay, that means that you have completed that stage. So now you need to move on to the next one, okay, which is let's learn the new words. So once you reach here, same thing, you can click here to listen to the instructions or you can read it. Okay, click OK to move on. All right, okay, and then there'll be, these are all your spelling words. You can click on the sound icon, okay, to listen to the words, or you can also click on the word to see the picture. So royal will actually show a crown. Okay, you need to go through every word, which is 10 words. Okay, complete going through all the 10 words. Okay, once you're at the last word, okay, you're done. You click on the X to move on. Okay, so now you realize that the let's learn the words is also have turned to green. That means you've completed that stage. So you move on to the next one. Find the words. Okay, under find the words is a simple word search. All right, if you do not know which word is it, okay, you're not sure, all right, you can use the pictures to find the words, but you're still not sure. Remember the one that I told you earlier? Okay, you can actually go back to that. Okay, click the word here to listen. Okay, you click on the word, you will see the picture, so you can actually remember which one is it. So where is it on the map? It's here. Let's learn the words, the one that you just finished. Okay, so once you're done with searching the words, okay, you click OK to move on and you click on the cross to move on to the next activity. Okay, you can actually see that find the words has been ticked. That means it's completed. Move on to the next stage. Okay, when you enter this stage, you will actually need a gold key. But where do you get the gold key? Actually, when you're learning the words, when you complete it, you will get a gold key. So all you need to do is just click unlock. Okay, and then they will say that, oh, activity unlock, you can actually move on. Okay, this one is a matching game. Okay, you need to click, drag and drop the word to the correct picture. Okay, you click OK to proceed. So once you've matched all the words to the pictures, okay, you click OK to move on, cross to move on to the next stage. All right, and then the next activity, you actually need to choose a correct picture to match the word. For example, drinking. And then what you do, you click on the submit button and you move on next. Once you've finished all the activities in the MCQ, all right, you will realize that there's a at the side they will say that you've collected treasure key. This is for your another activity later on. Okay, so next one, you can either go to practice your spelling, okay, or you can go to test typing. Okay, practice your spelling. You've done it before under flip T. Choose your name. Okay, you practice, and once you've finished, you need to click on this arrow to move on. If not, you will never be able to move on. All right, so the second one is actually test typing. Okay, so once you go to test typing, this is what you will see. You need to type this code to play the game. So you move on to the next slide. So when you move on to the next slide, okay, you will see that, okay, you need to click to open the game, and then you need to click on custom, scroll down, click on custom invasion and key in the code, the BBM577. Okay, and then you get to play the game. All right, so you need to actually type the word like TUNNEL, and you're given timing to finish your game. You can play a few times if you want. So once you're done playing, okay, you can go to the previous tab, okay, where you can see Madam Ralia's class. Go back to the treasure map. Okay, and then they'll bring you back to this, which is a spelling typing game. You still need to click on the arrow so that you can move on. So in the map, you will see that it's already ticked as well. That means you are done. This is the next activity. Spin the wheel. Okay, you spin the wheel. You choose the alphabet to guess the word. Okay, which word is it? is all from your spelling list. The clue is actually the picture behind. So this clue, this picture is actually jelly. All right, so use the pictures to help you. And once you're done with all the words, okay, you click OK. Again, press the cross, okay, to finish this activity. Okay, if any point of time you receive this path incomplete, that means you have not finished that activity, you need to go and see which one don't have the green tick or which one has not turned green. You need to go and complete it. If not, you cannot move on. All right, okay, and now of course the last one that you need to actually finish is the treasure hunt. So once you go through the whole cycle, okay, treasure hunt is the last one to conquer and win the game. All right, so good luck, children.